Hello guys, this is Dr. Tam K. In this video, I want to show you how you're going to be like doing your transfer of your cryptocurrency, your crypto coins, any coins that you have from Cenoa. This is Cenoa platform, right? If you want to move your money from Cenoa to other platforms like Bybit, like Binance and the rest of them, right? What do? You click on transfer. I'm going to make this very short. And because you want to transfer to crypto wallet, okay, you click on transfer, then you go to see the down part, you go to see to a crypto wallet. You can send to Cenoa account, okay, it's another person who is using Cenoa. You can send to someone's bank account. You can send to a local bank account, okay, but I'm sending to crypto wallet. So I click on crypto wallet, the last one. When you do that, you go to have here, all right, they're going to give you option to create a wallet. Now I already have 2 wallets created. You can only create 2 wallets. What you do, you go back to, for instance, if I go to Bybit, right, come to Binance, right, you go to your wallet, and then let's say for instance I want to send USDC, right? I'm going to go to USDC, then I'll look for I'll go to see deposit, okay. I'm going to click on deposit. Since I'm transferring, I click on deposit, then I click on Polygon. Now remember that Cenoa work with what? Polygon, right? So click on Polygon. When you do that, you click on copy the address. This is the address I want to use, for instance, right? I'll copy it and I'm going to go back to Cenoa again. I'm going to click on what? Add a wallet address. Then you can give the wallet address any name, all right, for instance, and then you paste the wallet address you want to use, okay. And that's, for instance, I want to use the wallet address. I click on what? Save. Exactly. When you click on save, then you go to see the wallet registered here. So when you want to send money to that wallet, okay, you click on the wallet you want to send address to, then click on continue. Right, when you click on continue, put the token. Of course, the token is USDC I want to use, right? I'm going to click on USDC. Remember, Cenoa work with USDC. Okay, so I'm going to put what? USDC. Then put the amount I want to send. Let's say, for instance, I want to send $20. You can send a minimum of $10, all right? So, sorry, 10 USDC. So I'm sending 20 USDC minimum. Then I click on continue, right? When I click on continue, I'm going to come over here and then I make sure that I click on I understand here, okay, to verify that. And then you move this slide. Do you see this slide down here? You move it to your right. When you move it to your right, immediately when you move it, I'm not saying it right, but when you move it to your right completely, then automatically the money goes. The money goes to the other account where you have the USDT wallet address. Is that okay? So these are, you can actually or send money to any coin wallet, a coin to any other wallet address as it is. Is that okay? God bless. I'm going to see you in another video. If it is your first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel and then like and share this video so that YouTube can be able to open it up to others to see. Exactly. Let's be of blessing to others. Thank you. This is Dr. Tam K. I'll see you in the next video.